science.
Time? Oh wow, fun!
Fun science time. Yay!
See? This is the real me! What is going on?
What's happening to the arrows?
That is Snell's window. Lena, where are you? I'm a magic master with your wand.
You will be a great magic master one day. Molly, that was a cool move. How'd you wag like a little fish?
Hee, that's my secret, Lena. I am a water molecule. One big bubble and two small ones. See? This is the real me. I can even be the Statue of Liberty. No shape can hold me. I can be anything. Even you. Oh, that's just the secret magic of us. Water molecules.
Oh no, Molly, look my magic wand. Is it broken?
What? Not me. Is it trying to be bendy like me?
Don't worry, Molly. Seeing is believing, but doing is knowing. Try it. Remember, seeing is believing, but doing is knowing.
Okay, let me try. Whoa, it's straight again. Okay, let me try again. In! It's bent again. What is going on? Out! Straight again. But why?
Relax, Molly. It's just a light trick. Kebo, Molly needs your help.
Kobo to the rescue. Hey guys, welcome to Fun Science Time.
Kebo, you need your screen. Let me bring it here from the science
Thank you.
lab.
Fun science showtime. Let's see the magic of refraction. Now light goes straight. But see what happens when it hits the water. Bump! Water turns it. See? It's not straight anymore. And that is refraction. Let's see that one more time. In super slow motion. Straight. Bump and turn. And we're back.
Water bumps the light. And it turns.
Bingo!
Spot on. That's refraction. Just like on the screen.
Refraction. I'm so clever.
Nice work. But refraction has bigger secrets. Ready for magic? Here we go. First, the top black arrow goes right. The bottom red one goes left. Now, pour in the water. Look, what's happening to the arrows? They flipped. Pretty cool, right? Wait, did someone swap the paper? Let's find out. See, it's the same. Just like before, right? Now, put it back and watch. Science is fun, right? And we're back. So, what make this happen?
Refraction!
Bingo, you got it! Molly, you're from the water drop family. You must see this all the time, right?
Wow! A rainbow! I often see them. Wait, is that refraction too?
Exactly! You're so smart, Molly! A rainbow is just sunlight playing refraction. Rainbow secret unlocked. Behold, the prism is the magic key to the mystery of the rainbow. Look, a single color like green only bends. That is...
Refraction!
correct. Now for sunlight. It looks white. Any difference? White light is a team, hiding together. And dispersion. Wow! Molly, can you name them all?
I can! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. 7 colors of the rainbow.
And we're back.
Wands, arrows, rainbows. It's all refraction. But what about that circle of sky I see underwater?
Bingo! It's called Snell's window, and it's super cool.
Isn't it?
Awesome! Welcome. Lead the way. Show us the circle of sky.
On it! Dive in with me. Let's go!
Wow, Molly. How does it look down there?
Hey friends, welcome to our watery world. We're finally underwater. Look, let's see what my pet frog sees. Ready? To the window. Meet Hopper. We're seeing exactly what he sees. Check out that view. See this circle? That is Snell's window. Watch. As Hopper swims, the circle of sky follows him everywhere. But down here, it's all normal. Pretty wild, right?
Totally amazing. Thanks for the tour, Molly.
I'm up.
Welcome back. That was an amazing show. Hi, friends. That was Snell's window. Next time you go swimming, look around and find it. But pinky swear with a grown-up. Safety first, okay? Molly, remember how my magic wand looked bent?
Yeah, Pluto showed me it was all Refraction's sneaky trick. Am I right?
Excellent. And how about the flipping arrow game?
I'll say it's my magic potion.
You can try this magic for your family too. And the rainbow. I bet you can count all the colors now, right?
Yes! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
And Molly, nobody could forget your amazing Snell's window show.
Exactly! Hey, friends! When you go diving, look up for that secret circle. It's so cool.
But always stay safe and swim with a grown-up, okay?
Okay, that is all for today.
Science is so much fun, isn't it?
There are so many more fun topics to explore. Check out our playlist to find them. Remember to click subscribe right down below. I can't help but miss you already.
We'll all miss you. Come join us for Fun Science Time. Bye. See you next time.